It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. It struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the...
Hi everyone! What better way to start this video than with this cobweb? You can see how dirty our kitchen doors are, so it's time to clean them. And I'm going to clean them with a damp microfiber cloth. And first I spray some all-purpose cleaner on them and then I wipe it off.
Couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. Used to be scared of letting someone get close without the filters, but you see the real me. Since I let you in under my skin, I'm more free than I have ever been. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day.
Our matte black kitchen shows dirt really easily, so that's an advantage and a disadvantage because, yeah, it looks dirty quite a lot, but on the other hand, I can always see it when something is dirty and wipe it off. Not that I always do that.
I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. And days turned into nights on the couch. No, I'm not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight, just
How has everybody's week been? My week has been quite busy because I am working a lot this week and in the weeks to come. And then I also want to make a YouTube video every week, so life has been very busy for me lately. But how has your week been?
like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get.
And here I wanted to disinfect some things as my cell phone, the TV remote and my computer mouse. Those are all things that you touch a lot, but if you never clean them, they get really dirty, but also dirty with bacteria, and that's just ew.
Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
I try to clean the floors once a week, so I accomplished that. So these floors were cleaned last week, but as you can see, the dust is coming back really fast because it was really dusty again. And I have really bad dust allergies, so I really need to keep up with this.
So why didn't you call? So many years gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable. At all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you?
Now I'm removing these dried sheets off of the drying rack, and I also did wash some clothes, and yeah, as you know, I hang them to dry on the drying rack, so you see me hang those as well. And as for these bed sheets, I always make a package out of them, and then I lay that package in our dressing until we can put the sheets onto the bed.
Why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air.
Thanks for watching, liking and subscribing, and I hope to see you next week. Bye!